Our car franchise is a good opportunity in 2022. Let's first take a look at the industry, the growth potential, and some of the numbers looking back the last 10 to 30 years. The US has the largest car industry in the world. Auto manufacturing, suppliers, materials, retail, maintenance, all those compose the automotive industry, also you could say the car industry in the United States. Most franchises are going to be in the narrow niche of vehicle maintenance. So some positive things, especially with the pandemic, there aren't many new cars being sold. It's a lot of used cars. Prices have gone up nearly 30% for used cars, a lot higher than inflation. So there's a lot more people driving cars than ever before, and they're not buying new cars, so these used cars need maintenance. Now, there's also a lot of technology changes, and there haven't been a period in time where there's ever been more electric cars. And electric car market's growing double-digit growth in the United States. So for the next few years, although vehicle maintenance might look positive, if you look 5 to 15 years out, it might be a different story, especially as electric cars don't need as much vehicle maintenance. So there are some good options in the car industry and car franchises available. However, before you rush in, really understand that this industry is going through changes, and you should best understand what is your time horizon for the investment. Are you going to buy a property and invest all your capital into that property to open up a vehicle maintenance franchise? Or are you looking more for a business that you hold for 3 to 5 years and then sell for a profit? The average royalty for a car franchise is 6.8%. So it's definitely higher than a food beverage franchise that's around 4%. And it's going to cost you around $300,000 to $400,000 to open up an average car franchise. We've also looked at thousands of loans that have been issued to franchisees in the car industry. The default rate's pretty high. For every 4 people that pay their loan back in full, there's 1 person that defaults on a car franchise loan. So that's not a very good stat, especially when you look at non-franchise car businesses where it's 10 to 1. So owning a car franchise is not going to be more secure than an independent business. Are there some car franchises where the success ratio is better than 10 to 1? Yes, definitely. Are there some car franchises where the success ratio is like 1 in every 2 fails? Yeah, there are a few. So the industry as a whole, especially when you look just at franchises, has not been that successful. However, there are some car franchises that have a very high success rate, and you don't have to invest so much capital to start. So I hope you enjoyed my talk today. The car industry is one of 15 or so industries we have available on Vetted Biz. I do encourage you to take a look at our website at www.vettedbiz.com, where you can compare all different types of metrics and benchmarking across different industries, as well as over 2,000 franchise concepts. Thanks.